Right, recording. So this is my Ender 3 Pro, and here we have the keyhole plug. So I've printed off another one, and you can see it's got a flange on it, and then it's got a sort of shell structure for the bit that goes into the keyhole. So you can obviously get your fingernails under here and pull it out if you want to. And there is one fitted. So I get a bit better angle on that. Let me just switch the light on. There you go. So there's one fitted into the keyhole. Because in the winter, obviously, the doors just seal this one up, but it was sort of gaping hole. And when the winds blow from, out in the garden there, a lot of air passes through there, surprisingly. So I've fitted one front and back.